Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a very new chapter which is chapter 6 decimals. Okay, myself Suman Singh. So before starting decimal, I would like to give you some of the idea or regarding what decimals are, okay, or what is decimal fraction. So always remember that the fraction which in which the denominator are 10, 100 or 1000. Suppose the fraction in which the denominator is either 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, so these are called what? These are decimal fraction. Okay, or we can say that the number expressed in decimal form are called decimal number or decimals. Okay, now always remember that the fraction can be changed into a decimal. Okay, and a decimal point separates the whole number part from the fractional part of a number. Okay, so I will give you one example, from that you can easily understand about the decimals. Suppose a person height is 150 centimeter. Okay, so if we are asked to convert this 150 into decimal, so how we can convert? We can easily convert it, and we can write like this, that the person height is 1.5 meter. So you can see that unit has been changed, and since the unit has been changed, it 1.150 has been converted into 1.5, right? Now in the same way, we can take one more example, that the length of a long jump is suppose 2 meter and 36 centimeter. Okay, so how we can represent this in a number, in a decimal form? So we can easily represent this one as 2.36 meter. Okay, so I hope you have got some idea about the decimals. Okay, so now first is mixed fraction as a decimal. So how to convert mixed fraction into a decimal? Okay, we will see that it is a very easy concept. Suppose we are given here 3 1 by 10. So how we can convert this? We can write like this: 3 plus 1 by 10. Okay, so after that we can write like this: 3 plus 1 by 10. When you will divide, you will get 0.1. Okay, so at last we can write 3.1. So we can convert like this, right? So we will see more about this. Okay, so we will start with the first exercise, which is exercise 6.1. Okay, so in exercise 6.1, there the first question is, they have asked find the place value of the underlined digit in the following. Means we have to find the place value of the digit which are underlined. So as you can see in the first question, the as you can see in the first question, the underline is on the 9, right? As you can see, the underline is on the 9. So what will be the place value? Its place value will be 9, and how many digits are there? As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 digits are, right? 6 digits are there, right? So we can write like this: 9. Okay, as you can see, 9 we have written. The place value of 9 is what? 9 we have written. And how many digit after that 9, how many digits are there? As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we will add, we will give here 6 zeros. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. It is very simple, right? Now next is find the place value of 7 in 2 5 7 2 8. As you can see, in the 7, dash is given, right? Underline is given. So what will be the place value of this? It will be 7, and how many digits are there? 1 and 2 digit, means 700. Okay, so I hope you have got the idea, right? Now again, if the number are in point, okay, or you can see that it is written here 24.325, and here they have asked to find out the place value of this 3. So always remember that it is very easy. Just what we have to do, you have to write this number. Okay, I have written here. Okay, after that divided by, you can see after the point, this is point, right? And after the point, how many digits are there? Only one digit is there, right? Only one digit is 1. So what we can write here, 1. Okay, so after the point we will write here 1, and after the point, how many digit is there? Only one digit, so we will write here 10. Okay, so it will be 3 by 10. The place value of this 3 will be 3 by 10. In the same way, one more example. I hope I know you are getting confused, so I will give one more example. As you can see, next example is 625.004. So what we have to do, you have to just write this 4, because in the 4 it is underline is given, right? It means we have to find the place value of this 4. So how we will find? We will just write this 4 here as it is, okay? And after that, what we will do? We will count. After writing 4, we will write divided by 1. We will write here 1, okay? And after 1, how many digit is there? You can see 1. After the point, how many digit is there? 1, 2 and 3 digit is there, right? So we will write 1, 2 and 3 zeros. So I hope you are understanding this, right? Now next is some I have told you to do the exam. I have given you some homework, which is question number E and F. So try to do it at home, okay, and send it in the mathematics group. Now next question is filling the blanks is there. So for filling the blanks, you can easily it has been written the decimal form of 3 1 and 5 tenth. So always remember that it goes like this, okay? It goes like this: first 100, okay, after that 10, after that 1, okay, after that tenth, th, okay, after that 100, after that thousands, thousand, okay. It goes like this. So this part is a positive part, okay, or we can say that suppose we have x point y, okay. So this part is what? This part is x part, okay. And after the point, whatever the part is there, this one is called y part, okay. I hope you are understanding this. So let me write this. It has been asked here, find the decimal form of 3 ones and 5 tenth. Means 3 ones ones and 5 tenths, tenths, okay. So how we can write this? 3 ones means 3, nothing will be there. After that there will be a point, and 5 tenth means what? 5, okay. One more example is there. The decimal notation of 2 3 by 10, okay. So the decimal notation of 2 3 by 10, we have to write this in a decimal form. So how we can write? We know, right? 2 into 10 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23, right? So 23 divided by 10. So how we can write? Here we can write 2.3, okay. Now next is the decimal form of 5 10 6 1 and 200, okay. You see here 5 tenth, okay, and 6 ones, okay, and 2 two 200 hundred. So how we can write? 5 tenths means what? 50, okay, plus 6 ones means only 6, okay. After that you can see here 200 means end is there, na? So you can see here end, right? So end means here you can put the point, okay. After that 200 means 2 by, you can write here 200 means 2 by 100, okay. 200s means 2 by 100. So now when you will add these three, what you will get? You will get 56.02, right? You will get this, right? As you can see, the answer is given here, 56.02. Now next is the place value of 7. We have to find out the place value of 7 in 34.574. So what I have told you, just his place value we have to find out 7. So what we will do, just you write 7 divided by 1, okay, 1 like this. And after the point, how many zeros, how many digits are there? 1 and 2. 2 digit means 2 zeros, okay. Very easy, right? So we can do like this. Now next is question number 3. As you can see, in question number 3, they have asked to find the given place value table, okay. From the given place value table, write the corresponding decimal numbers. So it has been written here, you can see 5 ones, in tens it is given 0, in 100 they have given 0, and thousands they have given 7. So when you will see the table, just you have to do what? If it is right this, right? 100 is there, 10 is there, 1 is there, tenth is there, okay. Tenth is there, after that hundreds are there, and after that thousands are there, right? So before this, these three will be on the positive side, this side. right, this side before point. Okay, before point, suppose 5.007. So this 007 will come here. Okay, sorry, it will come here. Okay, and before that, before the point, this is the point here, right, and before the point, whatever the number will be there, it will be here. Okay, so as you can see, I have done this. So you see the chart and you try to identify this. Okay, and if you will not understand, then then you can comment me on the comment section. Okay, now next is question number 4. Now question number 4 is what? Express the following decimal in expanded form and in word also. So it is in word and as well as in expanded form we have to write, but yes. So first question is 90.97. So always remember that when it is written 90.97, at that time what we can do, 9 after that how many digits? 1 means 9 into 10. Okay, because when you will multiply this, 9 into 10 is what? 90 will come, right? After that plus. Okay, after that plus this 9. When we talk about this 9, this 9 after the point how many digit, in which place it is there? In first place, right? In first place means divided by 10. After that plus, when we talk about this 7, in 7 place how many, in which place is it there? Second place means divided by 100. Okay, in this way you can expand this. Okay, now next is, as you can see, 4 to 5. So for 4 we can write 4 into 100, because when you will multiply this we will get 400, right? And after that for 2 we can write 2 into 10, which will come 20. And for 5 we can write 5 into 1. So when you will add this 3, you will get what? 425, right? Here, because you will get 400, okay, plus 20 plus 5. Okay, so what you will get? 425, right? So we will get here 425. After that, what I have told you, for if we are asked to write for 10, for this, if we are asked to write for this 3, so for we will write here 3. And you can write like this also, 3 by 10, or you can also write 2 by 100 like this, or 5 by 1000. Okay, so how we can write? As you can see, 3 after the point, in which place 3 is there? In the first place, right? So we will write 3 by 10. And after that, when we talk about this 2, so after the point, in which place it is? In second place, so we will write 2 by 100. And after that, this 5, when we talk about this 5, it is in which place? Third place, so we will write 5 by 1000. Okay, so how we can write this? Let me write here. We can write like this: 400 plus 20 plus 5 plus 2 by 10, sorry, 3 by 3, right? 3 is there, right? So 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. Okay, and plus 5 by 1000. So I hope you have understood this, right? Now C and D and E is your homework. You try to do it at home. Okay, now next is what? Complete the table. You have to complete the table. So in the table you can see 60 hundredths. 60 hundredths is written as what? 60 by 100. Okay, and it will, if when you will write this in a decimal form, you can write 0.60, or we can write also write say 0.6, or you can write, after that you can write this in a 6 by 10, because when you will 6 by 10, when you will divide this you will get this, but when you will divide this you will get this. Okay, now for 9, this one is not given here in the question. Only this one is given. Okay, and this one is given. So how we have to predict? We have to predict 90 by 100 means it is talking about 90th hundred. Okay, 90 hundredths. Okay, so 19 hundredths, what we can write? We can write like this: 0.97, because 0.90, because when you will divide this one with when you will divide this two, you will get this only, right? After that, this is given 9 by 10. 9 by 10 means what we can write? 0.9, right? Now here again in this question only this is given. So if only this is given, how we can write? Here it is written 20 hundredths means 20 by 100. Okay, and if it is 20 by 100, then we can write 0.20. Okay, after that what we can write? 0.2. After that what we can write? 2 by 10. Okay, so as you can see here, it is done. Okay, and this one is your homework. B and E is homework. If you will not, and you try to do it at home and send me on the mathematics group. Now next is question number 6. Express the following decimal form and write the place value of the digit in each case. Okay, so what we can do here, you can easily understand. Okay, as you can see here, from here you will understand properly. This is a question: 30 plus 4 plus 5 by 10 by 7. So how we can write 30? You can, if you are not understanding, just simply you do like this. Okay, 30 plus 4. Okay, after that when you will see 10th 100 like this, now always remember that they are talking about point. Okay, means after that what you can write here, you can write here 0.5. After that let me draw, let me do it in 30 plus 4. Okay, and plus 0.5. Okay, and plus 0.07, you can write like this. Okay, so when you will add this, you will get what, 7 here, 5 here, point. Okay, and this one is 4, and you will, this one is 3, you will get what, 34.57, right, as you can see here, right, 34.57. So when you talk about the position, so these three in the 10th position, this 4 is in the ones position. Okay, and this 5 in the 10th ths, as you can see, 10th position, and this 7 is in the hundredths position, as you can see, right. Now next is this one also you can do like this: 400 plus 40. After that you can see 100 and 1000 is there, so it means there is a point. Okay, so as you can see, 4 by 100 means 0.04, right. Then that is why it is coming 4 by 100. And if it is 5 by 1000, 0.04. Okay, 5 by 1000, so at that time what we can write, 0.005, right. So when you will add this, you will get what, here 540. Okay, point, here again 0, here again 4 and 4, you are getting this, right, as you can see here, 440.405, as you can see here, this one. So now when we talk about the position, this one is what, in what position, this 4 is in the hundreds position, this one is in the tens position, this one is in the ones position, no need to write that. After that when we talk, this one is also 0, leave that. After that this 4 is in the 1 to 100 position, as you can see, hundreds position, and this 5 is on the thousands position. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this. Now next question is, again, when you will add this 3, this one will be what, 0.5, this one will be 0.03, and this one will be 0.009, right. So when you will add this, you will get this. So when you talk about the position of this 7 is in the two digit is there, right. After that, after the 7, how many digits are there, you see, 2 digits are there, right, 3 and 2, means it is on the, this 7 is on the hundreds position. After this 3, after the 3, how many digits is there, only 1, right. So this 3 is in the tens position, and this 2, since digit is not there, any digit is not there, right. So this 2 is in the ones position. After that this is in the first, so this will be 5 will be in the tenths position, this 3 will be in the hundreds position, and this 9 will be in the thousands position. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. C and E is homework, you try to do it at home and send it in the mathematics group. Okay, now next is question number 8. Okay, so question number 8 is also very easy. How it goes, you see here, first it will come hundreds, tens, okay, ones, after that tens, hundreds, and thousands. It will be like this. Okay, so in the first question it is given 25.4. 25.4 means what, after the 2, how many digits is there, only 1, means this 2 is in the tens position, right, tens position, and this 5 is in the ones position, and this 4 is on the, 4 is on the what position, 4 is on the T and THS, tens position, right. So how we can write, this 2 we will write here in the tens position, this 5 we will write in the ones position, and this 4 we will write in the tens position, right. Now next question is here 5.07. So you see this 5 is on the which position, this 5 is on the ones position, right. right? This 5 is on the ones position. After that, this 0, when we talk about this 0 is on the 10th position. 0 T N T H S, right? And this 7 is on which position? 7 is on the 100 position, as U N D R E D T H S. Okay, so how we can write? We will write 5 on the ones position. In this we will write this 0 on this 10th position, and we will write this 7 on the hundreds position, as you can see here, right? As you can see here. Now next question is 7.45. So now again this 7 is on the which position? O N ones position. Okay, this 7, when we talk about this 7.45, this 7 is on which position? Ones position. Okay, after that this 4 is on which position? TENTHS, right? And plus this 5 is on the hundreds position, HUNDREDTHS, right? So how we can write? We will write this 7 here, we will write this 4 here, and we will write this 5 here, right? As you can see, I have written this. So I hope you have understood this, right? So this was all about exercise 6.1. I hope everything you have understood. If not, you can contact me on my personal number. Okay, if you have any doubt in any questions, you can contact me on the personal WhatsApp number. Now we will see exercise 6.2. Okay, and it is given, right? 4.46. So what is the decimal part? This is the decimal part, so we will, this one will be the answer. It is very easy, right? In the second question it is written 25.426. So which one is the decimal part? This 3 is in the decimal part, so we will write 24246. In the third question it is written, as you can see, 432.85. So which one will be the decimal part? This is the decimal part, so you will write in here. It is very easy, right? Now next question is question number 2. Write the whole number part in each of the following decimal number. We have to write the whole number part, means before the point. Whatever, suppose this is first question is 44.002. So this is the point, right? Here this part, whatever the marks is there, this is called whole number part. Okay, so this is the decimal part and this is the whole number part. So whole number part we have to write. The whole number part will be how much? 44. For next, if it is for the next question, you will see 106.005. So whole number part is what? 106. So you will write here. Okay, in the third question, as you can see, in the third question, this one, you can see which one is the whole number part. This 625 is the whole number part, and number D is your homework. Try to do it at all. Okay, now next is question number 3. Find the number of the decimal place in each of the following. We have to find the number of decimal places. So it is also very easy. You just see, it is written 5.46. So after the point, how many digits are there? 1 2 2 digit means 2. Okay, now next is 9.0450. If they are asked to find out the number of decimal places, just to count this 1 2 3. This one no need to count, only this one, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so it will be 3. Okay, now next is question number 25.01. Okay, so after the point, how many digits? 1 2. So we will write 2. Okay, so as you can see here, 2 3 2. And this one, number D, is your homework. Try to do it at home. Now next is convert the following decimal into fraction. We have to convert the following decimal into fraction. Okay, so how we will convert this? It is also very easy. Just you see, it is written 0.7. So you write there 7, as I have already told you in exercise 6.1. After the point, how many digit is there? Only one digit, right? So means 10. Okay, after that, when you will if it is divisible, you divide. If not, you leave it as it is. So it will be the answer. Okay, now next question is a little bit tricky. As you can see, 0.85 is there. So again, what we will do, we will just write 85 here first. Okay, after that here we will write 1. After the point, how many digit? 1 2 means two zeros. Okay, now since it is 85 and 100, they are divisible by 5, right? So what we will do, we will divide like this: 5 ones are 5, and 5 sevens are 35, and 5 20 is 100. So means it will be 70 by 20 will be the answer. How it has come, you will see here. 5 into 17 is what? 85, right? 5 into 17 is 85, and 5 into 20 is equal to 100. So we can divide like this, right? 5 into 17 is 85, and 5 into 20 is 100. So answer will be 70 by 20. Okay, now next is question number C. It is written 13.5. So again, no need to do it, you have to do nothing, just you write 135 as it is. Okay, and write here 1 after the point. How many digit? Only one digit, means 10. Okay, so when you will divide this, so it will be 5 2s are 10, and 5 7s are 35. It is 7, right? And 5 2s are 10. So you always remember that 5 into 27 is 135. Okay, and 5 into 2, we all know that 5 2s are 10 is there, right? So 5 2s are 10, and 5 sevens are 35, and it will be 27 by 2. Okay, we have got what? 27 by 2. Now since we can divide this, we can convert this into mixed fraction. How we will convert this into mixed fraction? As you can see, I have done here. We can do like this: 27 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, 7 will come here. 2 3s are 6, right? 2 3s are 6. So it is 1 is left here. So it is coming 2 13 and 1. So how we will write? What I have told you, this one we will write first, after that this, and after that this, right? So I will write 13 1 by 2 will be the answer. I hope you have understood this, right? Now question number D is same. As you can see, 64 6.4 is there. So how we can write? 64 by, after the point, how many digit? One digit only, so it is 64 by 10. Okay, so when you will divide this, you will get in the multiple of 2, you will get 32. Okay, 2 into 32 is equal to what? 64. Okay, 64, right? So we can multiply like this, divide like this: 2 32 times 64, and 2 5 is 10. So it will be what? 32 by 5. So now again, what we will do, we will divide this 32 by 5. So how we can do? You can see here, 5 6 are, sorry, 5 6 are 30. So we will get here 2 here. So how we'll write? We'll write this first, and after that this, and after that this. So how we'll write? 6 2 by 5 will be the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this, right? Now next, question number F and G is your homework. Try to do it at home, right? Now next is question number 5. Convert the following into decimal. So it is very easy. We have to convert this into a decimal. Just what we have to do, as you can see, 10 by 25 is there. So we know that 2 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So we will get what? 2 by 5. So when you will divide this, now you see the division, how we have to do. We have got what? 2 by 5, right? So how we will have to divide? You see here, 2 will be inside, 5 will be outside. Okay, so now how to divide this? Since 5 is bigger than 2, so what we will take? We will take here point. Okay, so if we are taking here point, it means if you are taking your point, you add 1 0 here. Okay, so it has become what? 20, right? So what we can do? 5 4s are 20, right? So it is cancelled out, means this will be zero point 0.4, or we can write like this: 0.4. Okay, this will be the answer. Now next question is 15 by 20. As you can see, 15 by 20. So 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 20. What we have got? We have got 3 by 4, right? So since we have to divide, so 3 will be inside, 4 will be outside. Again, 4 is bigger than 3, so what we will do? We will take point here. Okay, so if we are taking point, then we are adding 1 0. Okay, so how we will, what will be the answer? 4, you can write like 4 sevens are 7 4s are 20. As you can see right here, 4 into 7 is what? 7 4s are 28, right? So 4 into 7 will be 28 here. It is left with 2, and since we have taken point, right? And so if you are taking a point here, you can take 1 0 again here. Okay, After that 4 5s are 20, so it is cancelled. The answer will be, it is nothing is there means 0 is there, so 0.75 answer. So I hope you have understood this, right? Now next is again same, it is a very easy, it is a very easy, as you can see. 5 2s are 10, 5 10s are 50, 50 plus 4 it will be 54 by 10, and since 54 by 10 it is there, it is will be written as 5 by 5.4, right? Easy, right? Now next is same as it is. Express the following as a fraction in the lowest form. We have to find, you have to give the lowest form. As you can see, 0.75 is there, means what? It is 75 by, after the point how many digit? 1 2, means 2 digit here. Okay, now when you will cancel this, it will be 3 by 4, because 25 3s are 25, 25 into 3 is what? 75. Okay, and 25 into 4 is what? 100. So how we can do? 25 into 3 is 75 and 25 4 is 100, so answer will be 3 by 4. Okay, now next is again 0.20. So you write here 2 1 here, after the point how many digit? 1, right? 1 and 2, 2 digit means 2 0, so 2 ones are 2 2, 25 is 100, right? So as you can see 20 is here, right? So how we can write 1, let me do it again, 0 0.20 is there, right? So you write here 20 as it is, and after the point how many digit? 1 2, 2 digit means 1 dot 2 zeros, right? So you can cancel this 0 0 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, so answer will be 1 by 5. Okay, so I hope you have understood this, right? You can do like this. Now next is question number 7. You have to represent the following in a number line. So it is very easy. As you can see, we have learned this, right? Number line in how to represent the following in a number line. So it is 5, 0.5 is there, means 5 by 10 is there. Okay, or we can say one, and the same point on the number line where as 1 by 2 will be written. So as you can see, I have done here 0 0.1 2 3 0 0.4 0 0.5 0 0.6 7 8 9 and 1, right? So this will be 0.5. And the same way again when for 2.5, as you can see, if you will go here more, you will start with the 0, right? 0 1 1.1 1.2 1.3 up to 1.8, after that 1.9, after that 2.0, again 2.1 2.2 2.3 2.4 and 2.5. We have to represent 2.5, right? So C and D is your homework. You try to do it at home. Now next is little bit interesting, which is between the two whole numbers. It is talking about the whole number. Okay, between the two whole number on the number line do the following decimal lies. It is talking about 0.5. So 0.5 will lies between which number? It will lies either between 0 and 1, right? Because 0, after that what we can write? 0 0.1, and then after that 0.2, right? After that 0.3, after that 0.4, after that 0.5, after that 0.6 0.7 and 0.8, and then in the last we will get 1, right? So this is like this 0.5 lies between which two numbers? 0 and 1, right? Now next is 5.5. When we talk about the 5.5, it will lies between which two numbers? It will lie between 5 and 6, right? Because we will write here what? 5.1 5.2 5.3 5.4 5.5 5.6 5.7 5.8 5.9 5.10, or we can say 5.9, after that 6 we will get 6, right? So this 5.5 will lies between these two numbers. It will lies between 5 and 6, right? Now next is, so I have done here number D is only homework, you see here, right? Now next is question number 9. Between which two numbers in 10th place on the number line do the given number lines? Means they are asking about the 10th place, means they are asking about the after the point whatever the digit is there. So we have to represent them in a, if we have to find out that after the point whatever the digit is given here, we have this will lies on which two numbers. Okay, so as you can see 0.45 is there, so it will lies between what? 0.4 and 0.5, because 0.4, after that 0.41 0.42 0.43 0.44 0.45, it will go like this 0.49, and after that it will come 0.5, right? So just 0.4 lies between 0.4 and 0.5. after that 0.77, so it will be lie between 0.7 and 0.8, because 0.7 after that 0.71, 0.72, 0.73, 0.74, 0.75, 0.76, 0.77, 0.07, 0.78, after that 0.7, and after that 0.8 will come, right? So this 0.7 will lie between 0.7 and 0.8. In the same way 0.03 will lie between 0.1 and 0.1, right? So in this way we can do this, right? And some of, as you can see, some of the homeworks are given, you try to do it at home. And in case of any doubt, you can send me a message on my personal number, or you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, till that, thank you.